All right, so welcome to day 2 of my series, Small Floor Plan Changes That Can Make a Big Difference. So the section of this plan that I want to focus on is this kitchen, pantry, utility, and where you come in from the garage. The first thing that jumped out to me is that this pantry seems a little bit out of the way for the kitchen. It does make sense as you're coming in from the garage to have it close for dropping off groceries, but for day-to-day use, this seems like it's a little far away. So the first thing I would do is make this my powder room. Toilet, extend it just a little bit, and put my vanity sink there. That allows this space here to become sort of the mudroom as you're coming in from the garage. I would square this off because you've got space under this window over here for the workbench. Put a bench on this wall here, have this be open, and then have this be your doorway into your washer, your dryer, and your laundry space. And then I would square this off and either have a door here for your pantry, or one of the things that's popular these days is to have that hidden pantry where you have what looks like a full height cabinet coming out with a little hidden doorway, and then you access your pantry from here. So hopefully that helps to rethink a space and get your pantry closer to where you actually need to use it.